Two, okay.
Lady
And is it cool? I mean,
brought my motherfucking. I got all my chains on. Like,
it's like a strip club after hours.
Alright, man, what's going on?
Yeah, okay, I'm back on. Hey, I know you bitch miss.
Hold on, bro. Let's talk to him real quick. What you got to say to him in 2018, bro?
Stay healthy, do your thing, grind hard, work.
Every day.
Success is inevitable when it comes to me.
I just sold out. Hey, it's called Lockout plug. Tell him I'm coming on. I'm coming away. Yeah. Call it the plug like he say on stage. Said be about an hour, but I was like, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Man, like this. Bought a whole ounce. What you paid for? You paid $220. What else? Bought some new shoes. What they cost? You paid
2018. This my homie right here. E, come on in.
What do y'all? I'm the hype one up here.
But
my thing is that something thing is that life is a process. That means that you don't have to rush to do anything. Anything you want to do, you can do. Don't ever say I can't. Don't ever say I won't. Just do what you gotta do to succeed. Peace and blessing. I'm out.
Where were you at?
That's one more.
Got my mind on the bank, got my mind on the meal, got my bitches doing things, get they mind out the hills. Hey, yeah, hey, turn up, hey, bad bitch, you hit the floor and get it. Used to work for that low income, what you do now?
What's up, everybody? What is going on? I hope y'all enjoyed the little intro video, music video, whatever you want to call it. What I really came here today is to let you guys know I didn't forget about making that video about how you can make money online. That's exactly what we finna talk about today. So before I say this, I just want to let you know, if anybody ever tells you that making money is easy, it's not. I mean, I don't care what job you have, what profession you in, legal or illegal, making money is never easy. It's never something that you're just going to get into. Yeah, it might be sometimes where you get in and you cash a huge check real fast and you wasn't expecting it, but it's not going to always be like that. There will be downs and there will be ups. That's just what I want to say. Me and my business partners that you seen in the beginning of this video, we do not claim to be millionaires. I don't claim to have a jet. None of my friends do. My business partners, I'm pretty sure they don't. We don't claim to do any of that. But what we do claim is that we do know how you can make extra money online. We do know how that you can fire your boss and become your own boss. It's 2018. So what we're going to do is, right here, as you can see, we have Walmart on the screen right here. Hold on, I have another screen. My mouse is over here. Okay, I know it's right there. All right. So it's simple. Places like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Amazon, these companies will pay you a percentage of however much it is. I don't know. I don't actually use Walmart or Target anymore. You know, I still do use Amazon, but these companies will pay you a decent amount of money. I'm not going to say, like I said, you're not going to get rich overnight. But if you do know how to actually promote these items and market these items to the right target audience, you will be able to sell items. So it's simple. What you want to do is go to your Walmart, Target, whatever your favorite store is. Majority of them do have an affiliate program. And it's simple. 9 times out of 10, what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom to where you see affiliate program. And you just click on affiliate program. Now, affiliate program should always be free to join. You should never have to pay a certain amount to actually join an affiliate program, because remember, you're not employed by these people. You're not paying $20, $40, $50 to actually get like a shirt or, you know, some pants, or you're not paying for that. So affiliate program should always be free. Always be free. Some affiliate programs do actually have where you have to pay $100-$200 to get into these, but you get merchandise like makeup or something physical. Right now, we're not worried about anything physical. We're gonna do strictly online. So as you can see right here, it says become a Walmart affiliate. So it's very simple. You just click become an affiliate. Here it is. It pops up right there. You go down here. You fill out all your information. I'm not going to do it. Like I said, I don't actually use Walmart anymore. But you fill out all your information. It's not asking you for a credit card or anything like that. All affiliate programs will definitely ask you for at least a PayPal or bank account, so you can get your money pretty much, so they can deposit a check into your PayPal or your bank account or whatever you prefer. But they will ask you for some way to pay you, and most of the time you will have to fill out a W-9 or some type of tax form, depending on how many sales you can make within that year, because you will have to pay taxes at the end of the year. We'll go into that a whole nother time, because I'm just letting y'all know that it is possible to make actual money online and fire your boss. I don't go to work. This is what I sit here and do every day on my laptop. I find little stuff like hats or whatever. Anyway, if you look over here, you'll see something called Ebates. That's another thing that my alarm. Hold on. Sorry about that. But it's another little way that you can actually save money and make money at the same time. Like right now, you see it says activate 1% cash back. That's just for Walmart. Walmart is cheap, if you ask me. Whatever. But a lot of other companies, they'll have it where it's like you get up to 50% cash back, or I've seen it where you could buy from Dish Network, actually, I think it was, or DirecTV, one of those, but they were actually giving you like $289 cash back. I was like, it's crazy. So this is what I do. I'll probably make a video on Ebates and all those side programs later, but right now we're just gonna focus on the big corporations and big companies like Walmart. So you seen Walmart, you seen what to do. Let's go over here. We're gonna type in Amazon. I'm gonna go right here to Amazon. And Amazon is the same way. If you look right here, you can see I'm already signed in. Amazon Associate League. Now I'm gonna give you a real quick tutorial of exactly what I do and what thousands of other people do. So let's just pick a random item. Let's just scroll down and pick a random item. Let's say bow. We're gonna pick this right here. This crock pot, right? This crock pot right here. So it is $59.09. I would say $20, blase blase. But if I go up to here where it says Amazon Associates, I can get a text, right? Take this link, and you know what I would do with that link? I would probably post that link on Twitter, all right? I can go over here, get this image. I can make it small, medium, or large. I can take this actual link right here, this HTML, and make a Facebook post out of it. Post it to my friends. Make an Instagram post out of it. You see where I'm going with this? So I will post something like, look at what my mom just bought. She just bought this amazing crock pot. I mean, it cooks food like instantly. I mean, it's, something to get the attention of the potential prospects to actually look at the product and potentially buy it. That's pretty much what you want to do. $59. Let's just say $60, right? And you're getting a percentage out of that. Now with Amazon, if they don't buy this crock pot, they clicked on this link right here. They clicked on this link, or they clicked this link, or and you can build your own custom link too. But anyway, if they don't actually buy this crock pot, but they buy something from Amazon, you still get a commission. So let's just say they didn't want to buy the $60 crock pot, but it's summertime, so they decided to buy a $500 swimming pool for their kids. Guess what? You get a commission on that. So places like Walmart, as you can see, Amazon. I mean, we can go. Let's just say Home Depot. Oops. Home Depot. I already have it in there. So let's go to Home Depot. Boom. Now let's check it out. Same thing works for all of these websites. Go all the way to the bottom and you'll see where it says affiliate program. And you just click on that and sign up. And it should always be free. Now do some research, because there are other affiliate programs out there that pay you a lot more than like 8% and 15%. So make sure you do some research and find out what I would recommend that you use a store or any type of business that you frequently purchase stuff at yourself, because 9 times out of 10, if you purchase stuff from that store, you know something about it. It's easier to sell something that you know about than something you don't know about, obviously. But same thing with Target. We on Target website right here. Target's a little bit more different. Some of them are, but if you just go right over here where it says more and you scroll down, you'll see affiliates. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. Sorry, I clicked on investors. But oh yeah, you could do that too. I mean, if you got that type of money and you looking to invest, bam, there you go, Target. But simple, you want to scroll down, all the way down, click on more, and then affiliate, and boom. I don't know why Target is moving slow, but that's just how Target is. We're gonna give it a second to load. Okay, boom, and there it is. Target affiliates earn up to 8%. 8%, like I said, is not a lot, but just imagine if, okay, think about this. 2 billion people log on to Facebook every day. 2 billion people. Should I say more? If you could get these products in front of those people, just think about it. Just you just think about it. I'm not gonna say too much. Just think about it. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what I personally do and what my business partners do that you seen in the beginning of the actual video. I have a few other business partners, but those are the ones those are actually local, so I get to hang out with these guys. But if you go over here to this actual site, Motor Club of America, is actually what I do. I'm not going to tell you how much I actually get paid to make a sale, but I'm going to tell you that I do get paid way more than 8% to make just one sale. If I make 3 sales, most people don't get that in a week working at a fast food restaurant, and they get paid every 2 weeks. I get paid every week, and I do this from home. But if you look right here, it say Google my business right over here. And if you look right here, I'm verified. Let's look at some of my insights. I have 233 searches, 254 views, and 607 actions. So people clicking on my page, calling me, all that type of stuff. I have 2 reviews. This actual website has only been up for about maybe a month, so 2 views in a month, that's not too bad. But I just wanted to show you this. So if you go over here and click on info, it'll show you how serious I am and dedicated to my business, and this is how you should be too. If I go over here to where it says your business is live on Google, I can view it on the search, and that's what I look like on the search. So you can see my face right here. You can see all my stuff right here. I'm closed today. I don't open on Saturdays or Sundays. I get to choose that. And yeah, that's pretty much how it is. I got a review. I make posts. 254 views in the last 80 days. It doesn't seem like a lot, 254, but just one of those people. Like I said, all I really need is 3 sales a week, really, and you can make the same amount you would make working like overtime at McDonald's. really. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to show y'all. So if y'all want to know more about this actual company, you know, it is free to sign up, and I will help you along the way. You know, I'm not just gonna leave you out there. So if you do want to actually know something about this actual company, or you want me to help you figure out how to do Walmart, Target, or Amazon, or you just want some more information in general, reach out to me, leave some comments, like it, share it, message me on Facebook, hit me up on Twitter, follow me or like me on YouTube, whatever. I'm all around. You seen my links will be everywhere. I just wanted to make this video real quick, not too long. It's already going on 15 minutes. But as you can see, this is my actual website right here. So this is what it actually looks like. You know, I do take it very serious. I have more than just this website, but like I said, it is very possible to make money online. It's not that hard. You just get the product out in front of the customers. These people will pay you. You are already on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter anyway. Why not make money while being on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter anyway? That's all I really had to say. It's legit. We all know Walmart. We all know Target. You want to make some money? Maybe you should try it out. If not, that's cool. But I'm out of here, man. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Deuces.
I say I know it's real. I can tell I know it's real. Yeah. I'm a bitch, beneficial. I say I know it's real. Yeah. I tell you, nigga, hey. Told you, nigga, yeah. No, I ain't been afraid. I bought my Benji frame. Who you care? Turn up. Rolling, I gotta keep it too long. Yeah. Dirty game, it'll cheat on you. Yeah. She's hella new. She got it at the corner store. Drop it all the way to the floor.
Let's go.
Check one, checkmate. I've been abducted, nigga, you feel me?